Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the Nasdaq Composite Index today. We've got the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud up after a nice rebound from this cluster of cloud chart support levels. The market's now up 10% to 1,394 points. We're now right here at a critical resistance zone. And it will be interesting to see if the index is going to break past this zone, because that will change the outlook from bearish to bullish. From an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective, if the market's trading below this cloud chart level here, then that's bearish. If the market trades above the Ichimoku cloud, that's ultimately bullish. So we had a critical stage where the outlook can change from bearish to bullish on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. So we're looking for a breakout past this resistance zone with significant volume. Will be interesting to see if we're going to get past this zone and stay and close above this 14,505 zone. Now let's go and take a look at the daily just to see where we are at. This 14,505, which we now know is a 4-hour cloud chart resistance zone, that's also a standard line resistance zone. So now will be critical for the market to break past this cluster of resistance on the daily. Front end cloud, you can see that level there also confirms the resistance zone on the 4-hour chart and daily, and the other one to look out for is this 14,658. So these are the two key resistance zones for the market to break past. Now remember, the price action is still below the cloud on the daily, so the outlook remains bearish until the Nasdaq actually trades back above this top end cloud chart zone. The outlook on the daily will only change to bullish once that takes place. But so far we are trading relief rallies in an overall negative outlook since price action is below the cloud. So these are the two critical zones to watch out for the rest of the week to see if we're going to get past these levels. If we don't get past these levels, then there's more downside to come. And then the downside targets would be the turning line of the cloud here. That seems to be a key support zone, as well as this front end cloud chart level. So slow grind higher. Now it's close to critical cloud chart resistance levels. Will be interesting to see if we're going to break past that zone. Now if we look at the weekly chart, we can see we dipped into the cloud. We rebounded from the front end cloud support zone here at this 13,000 zone, and we're back above the weekly cloud. So far so good, but massive divergence between the MACD and the price action. There was a sell signal up here at 15,600 in the markets. Basically, we're now swing trading this on the daily and 4-hour chart, but we're back above the top end of the cloud, so that is bullish from a weekly Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. But do note that we've got incredible divergence between the MACD and the overall price action. Now the monthly and quarterly shows you how extended this market is. It's the Nasdaq Conspicuous Consumption Bubble is in full swing. And if we want to look at the quarterly chart, you can also see what the risk is currently, how far away we are from critical support levels here of the turning line and standard line, as well as the front end of the cloud. So we're not out the woods yet. The bubble is in full swing. And all we can do now is just swing trade the short-term, medium-term opportunities. But as long as the price action is below the cloud on the daily, the outlook remains bearish. For the outlook to turn back to bullish, we need to trade back above this top end of the cloud. But there's indications that the 4-hour chart is giving us good early warning signals that the outlook might be changing as long as we break past this resistance zones on the Nasdaq 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.